Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find timer in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To access timer, we have to tap our clock widget, and here we have timer, stopwatch, alarms, etc. Alternatively, we can access it through our main menu by tapping clock application. So, timer. We can change seconds, minutes, hours. For example, let's use our timer here. 4 seconds. And as you can see, it's working. We have a few options here. We can change sound, for example. And our sound is changed. We have few other options. We can change it all. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.